Hi, my name is Mikael Nordentoft. You probably found my video and clicked on it because you typed in the North Star is part of what constellation? The North Star is also known by the name Polaris, and it's easy to find if you know where to look for the Big Dipper, because the Big Dipper rotates around Polaris. The Big Dipper looks exactly like a handcart, and Polaris is part of the star constellation, the Little Dipper, that also looks exactly like a handcart, only smaller. It's a faint constellation that sometimes partly disappears in the faintest moonlight, and that's strange because you should think that the North Star should be one of the brightest stars in the sky, because it's as important as it is. But actually it's only have medium brightness and can be quite hard to find if you are somewhere where there's street lights or other things that spoil the night sky. I hope you found this information useful. Originally, I am a teacher and I have taught children in the public school. But after a while I found out that it wasn't right for me, so I began to look for some alternatives. And I found some interesting and strategic ways to serve people online by doing some internet marketing. And today I work with people who make significantly more money than I do and ever had done as a teacher. They serve people part-time online from their homes, and they make money from a piece of work they have done once. And that's very appealing to me, so I intend to do the same. If you are interested in seeing what I have going on, you are most welcome to click the link below this video. That will take you to my website, mikaelnordentoft.com, and there you will see a description of what it is I'm doing.